What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you can see, we have this gorgeous Lotus Emeya S that we have right in front of us in solar yellow. As you can see, the color of this car is fantastic. Of course, with the lighting in the showroom, it really helps a lot. Now let us take a walk around from the exterior before we move down to the interior. Let us start off with the gorgeous appearance of the front. Now, as you can see, the Lotus Emeya is a very striking and sharp looking presence of a car. It looks absolutely fierce. Now, start off with the lights. For the Electra, you notice you only have one, but in this case, the Emeya has two. And these are very pointy and sharp, super nice indeed. Now, under the bottom here, these are actually the main headlights. The top one's actually the DRLs. The bottom one here is basically the main headlights. Now, with these ones actually turned off, you'll notice it's fully blacked out. So you can't really tell there's a light hiding right here. So it's very well designed. Underneath here, you get some opening right here for air to flow through. As you can see, your tire is right there. For the center right here is where your airflow happens. So you get some opening right here for air to flow through. You get your number plate that goes right there as well. And on top of that, you have your ADAS sensor located right here. So gorgeous finish. For the bottom piece, you have it in a full black, gloss black finish all the way from the side, even at the back right here where the number plate is located at. You have an option sometimes to go with carbon fiber depending on which spec of a car you choose, but in this case it's a full blacked out version. Easier to maintain, easier to keep, looks good also as well, fully blacked out. Now you do get a black badge, the Lotus badging for the front, and also all over the wheels. You get the black top hood right here as well. I love the lines that are coming down this way, looks fantastic. Can you see that? Amazing. So for the side, you have your wheel arch, which is looking like this in yellow. You don't have it in black coming all across, just like the Electra is different. So for the tires, you have these gorgeous Pirelli P0 tires, drill disc brakes right on the inside right there. You got your beautiful red calipers, and I love the wheels. The wheels on this car are actually 21 inch, so it's 265/40 R21, and these are amazing looking electric EV tires. So that's what this is. So gorgeous indeed, man. Beautiful. Now for the side right here, depending on whether your car comes with LiDAR, but this one's actually open up, so it gives you another sensor right there to see some stuff. But in this case right here in Malaysia, it's not really in need. So yeah, by right now it doesn't have it. Down here you got this black finish. I love the design of the side of the car. Can you see all those lines? Beautiful, man, dude. So you had this black finish where the camera comes out this way. You got another camera right here for 360. Black side mirror is what you can see. Your turn indicators are located right here. You got another camera over here that looks across on this side. Your top half of the car is in a full blacked out finish. Looks absolutely beautiful. The bottom finish right here, full black from left to the right. You got your S badging right there because this is the Emeya S, but of course now they name it differently. If you open up the doors, if you lock the doors, the handle goes in, but when you open up the doors, check out the interior, man. Fully grayed out, beautiful finish. Love this texture-like finish. KEF audio sound system. You got this sort of like a carbon fiber finish on the inside right here. Beautiful. You get your KEF audio sound system as well once again. And your opening up of the doors, manual is over here. Electronic ones are right here. So compartment storage is down there. You get your lighting as well. You got your Emeya wording, which is also lighted up. Beautiful. Lovely grey carpets. You can open up the front hood by pulling up this, and also you get your beautiful grayed out seats, guys. Massage seats are available for this. For this side right here, you can turn it on, or either from the screen also as well. Check out the interior. Fantastic. You get your amazing display right here. Now you can turn it off if you wish to, or you can just tap on it, turn it on. Music, time and date also will mention. Let's open up the rear doors and take a look at what we see right here. So the rear design of the door, once again leather all over the place, and you do get a frameless door, as you can see. And also take note, the rear glass is actually a darker version compared to the front one. So it's a privacy glass for the rear. So all these three glasses, this, that, and the other one over there. So once again, you got this carbon fiber finish over here. You got your handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Your lighting down here. Opening up of the doors, manual. You got your KEF audio sound system. You got your Emeya wording right here. Love the carpet in grey. And also you get some sort of like lighting down here. Brings it up a little bit more stylish. You get this fabric lining for the rear. Very nice. Of course, this one right here is a screen for you to control your music, climate controls and whatnot. Air vents are inside right there. So beautifully designed. Check that out, man, dude. Grey interior. Beautiful finish. Now this one right here, of course, you can pull it down for you guys to actually see the cup holders. Looks fantastic. Let's close this back, push that back. Seat belts, of course, are also in grey. Right there. Looks fantastic. Now for the rear wheels, you will also notice it's 21 inch. So tire size is 305/35 R21. You get your drill disc brakes for the rear, red calipers right there. You got your Lotus black badging right there as well. Pirelli P0 tires, EV tires as well. And this is the gloss black finish of a wheel. Love how it looks. Now over here, if you press onto it, you get your EV charging, AC DC. Charging time is about, what? 40 minutes to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I guess. Forgot how much it actually can charge, but the fastest charging, as I know, can charge in about 14 minutes if you're using the strongest wall box charger. So, I mean, not for wall box, I mean your DC charger, so yeah. Airflow happening down here as well for air to flow through to come out. You have your rear tail lights in looking like that, super cool. Now the Lotus wording in this chrome finish. You have it also in black, but depending on whether you want to go for that. Your LiDAR sensor at the rear, you got your camera right there. I love how the wing opens up. Check that out, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Now you have an option to lower it down, which I will show you to you in a while more. But nevertheless, underneath here, your rear diffuser looks fantastic. Absolutely aggressive. Very, very aggressive, very sleek and very clean as well. So if you open this up, you can check out the boot space is also looking really good. You got your tire repair kit and whatnot. You got a 12 volt socket over here. Those seats can actually be folded down if you wish to. Let's try and see. Let's open up from here. And let's handle right here. Let's push that right down. Take a look at the space, guys, that you guys get. Amazing. For a car like this. Now that whole railing can actually come off if you wish to. Down here. Check that out, man, dude. Beautifully done. Space is awesome. Everything is good about this car. Looking really, really good. So once you open up the driver's side of the door, you see the 1948 wording right here, because of course the brand is founded in 1948. You got your side plates right here. Sport pedals, the chrome finish happening all across the whole pedal, which is fantastic. And yep, the doors once again, opening up of the boot and closing of the boot is over here. Handle to manually pull to open up the doors. You got this carbon fiber finish. Electronic buttons, window adjustments, back and front, child lock, and also other adjustments for your side mirrors. Speaker system right here. Love the finishing and texture like for this whole car. Steering wheel is absolutely beautiful, flat bottom steering. Gorgeous finish. ACBC wording right there at the headrest, because it's the founder's name, Anthony Colin Bruce Chapman. Two cup holders right here as well. Open that up, you got your storage compartment. Fantastic. You got your gear, P, drive, reverse, neutral and whatnot. Fantastic. NFC charging card and whatnot. You have your ambient lighting that goes down there. Storage place is fantastic. Now let's try and close down the rear boot. Let's press that and take a look. The boot is actually closing. And let's now close the rear wing fully down. And check that out. So earlier the rear wing was actually opened up and now it's actually closed, and check out how sleek it looks, man. Fantastic, dude. Absolutely clean, absolutely clear, and very nice indeed. Love how it looks. Love the black top finish. Car looks absolutely fantastic. Now let's take a nice cover photo for the front. Beautiful finish of a car, guys. Nice one like this. There we go. Beautiful. Looks like it's about to attack somebody, man. Crazy looking car. Let's open up the front hood. Wait, before that, show you guys the signal lights, how it actually looks. So turn indicators at the side mirror, looks good. You have one right here at the bottom. Check that out. Very presentable and very eye-catching, man, this car is. So for the rear, you have this as well. Check that out. The most gorgeous looking GT that these guys have. Open up the wing once again. Take a look at the rear. Amazing when it opens up. Looks like a real jet. So let's try and check out the front hood. what's hiding underneath here. You can open up from this side right here. Pull twice. Of course, the glove compartment you can actually open up also as well. Very nice and easy compartment storage for you guys to keep. Nevertheless, let's open this up. Check out the charging cable that is given with the car. Emeya wording right here as well. So beautiful finish for the front. Very clean and very sleek, guys. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus cars, do head down to Pavilion Damansara Heights, where you can locate this car and many more other gorgeous cars that the sales team can actually explain to you about. You can meet up with Ganesha, and he'll be more than happy to assist you in speccing up your very own Lotus. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.